Finally a rare.
Hello snakes, my name is Dante and today we do the fifth and final War of the Spark release. So let's see what can I get. This is my last chance to get limited edition Nicol Boldus. Or limited edition Gideon. Or limited edition Liliana. And it is Sarkhan. Sarkhan? In Dreadhorde Butcher. Fine. Sarkhan is alright. First pack. Let's see what can I get. Okay, we got a zombie army token with lots of zombies behind. Gideon's Sacrifice. Gateway Plaza. Nahiri Stone Blades. Soren's First. Battlefield Promotion. Stealth Mission. Vampire Opportunist. Band Together. Goblin Assault Team. Bulwark Giant. Uncommon Zombies Ambush. Bond of Discipline. Django Wild Crafter. The rare mythic is the Elder Spell. Yes! And an island.
Troppo forte.
Let's see what can I get.
Wait, does this work even in the next turn?
A zombie token. Okay. Now we just need Liliana. We get Relentless Advance. Ward Scale Crocodile. Raging Crunch. Davrio's Shadow Fugu. Spellkeeper Weird. Obnitz's Cruelty. Centaur Nurturer. And Crop Invader. Divine Arrow. Erratic Visionary. Uncommons Bond of Flourishing. Rouse Outburst. The Wanderer. And the rare mythic is Command the Dreadhorde. Yep, that's right.
I got the Gideon Sacrifice.
And a Swamp.
I'll get the Gideon now.
Let's see what can I get.
I never got Chandra yet. Okay guys.
It's a zombie army
Guys,
token
my rare is a Planeswalker.
with with a few zombies behind. Prismite.
It's a Tammy.
Tiffy Bearer Giant.
Scusa,
Crunch Rain.
sorry guys.
Burning
What?
Prophet.
Two Tamios. What? And one here.
Primordial Worm. Aid the Fallen. Lore Rune Enforcer.
I always get the
Tamiyo's
lista in
Epiphany.
over-release at the moment.
Toll of the Invasion. Thundering Ceratok. Uncommons Grateful Apparition. Vizier of the Scorpion. Sahili Sublime Artificer. And the rare mythic is Ravnica at War. There we go. It's all multicolored permanents as a board wipe and a forest.
What's this?
Okay. A dragon token, yes, for Sarkhan. Crush
Change
Dissent.
control of two permanents.
Banehound. Sarkhan's Catharsis. No Escape. Band Together. Jaya's Greeting. Rising Populace. Thunder Drake. Dustmantle Operative. Uncommons Rally of Wings. Cruel Celebrant. Thibault. Rakish Instigator. And the rare mythic is
No mythic.
Casualties of
Again.
War. That's
Again.
like decimate but destroys planeswalkers. So good. Mega wipe. Force. Oh, there's a foil, and it is Tamiyo. Yes, foil Tamiyo. There we go. That's finally got Tamiyo, and it's a foil.
You get a Tamio. He gets a Tamio. Everybody gets a Tamio.
That was man right there. That was so funny. Zombie army token with a few zombies behind. Okay, Iron Bully. That's kind of ironic because it puts a plus one counter on a creature rather than putting a -1 counter. That's kind of ironic. Oh, Cold Stinger. War of Runes. Invading
Questo è
Manticore.
multicolore o no?
Giant Growth. Turret Ogre. Martyr for the Course. Ashok Skulker. Vraska's Finisher. Arlen's Wolf. Uncommon Storm the Citadel. Wow. That is so good actually. Boltbend.
Yeah, I mean this.
Kaya, Bane of the Dead. And the rare mythic is Living Twister. What? Oh, what? Oh, that's a good one actually.
A shock.
In a mountain.
You should have.
Yeah, that was Mateo right there. Final pack. Let's see what can I get.
Suona folla.
And a wall token for Teo.
Folla.
Chaos Ghost Form. Gideon Sacrifice. Gateway Plaza. Nahiri Stoneblades. Grim Initiate. Battlefield Promotion. Stealth Mission. Vampire Opportunist. Flavor test is funny. Band Together. Goblin Assault Team. Uncommons. Neo Form. Yeah.
Volevi, bravo.
Dreadmalkin.
Ma questo scusami, anche le
Narset.
Finally.
Heart of Veils in the realm of Gears.
Ma questo anche le
Enter
terre?
the God Eternals. Wait, no mythic
rest.
actually. And the planes. Yeah. Comment down below which of these cards did you like the most and which one would you recommend me to use in the deck.
should
Thanks for watching.
stop playing
Hope you
Magic.
enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, follow my Twitch channel, link in the description.
You
Share
open
with
my
friends.
next pre-release
And
pack.
stay tuned to our next video streams and podcasts. And the podcast will be live every Tuesday.
Creature or
So stay tuned
Planeswalker?
to them
Rest.
and watch my other videos too. Thanks for
doesn't
watching.
say other
Hope you enjoyed it
permanent.
and bye.